Yo, what is going on, guys? This updated tutorial today is going to be showing you how to get mods in Animal Company. This is working in 2026 and actually requires no PC and no Discord. I've been searching on Google. Most of the mods for Animal Company are third party. So you need to sort of install third-party downloads and stuff. But this method, guys, is going to get you an Animal Company promo code that you can use right now. And it's going to unlock a secret developer mod menu. And this is going to allow you to get tons of awesome features. So before I show you how to do this, make sure you do drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm always searching for new methods. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile internet browser to get this Animal Company promo code for your mod menu. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. Like I said, guys, do this on your mobile phone, and Crash Coupons is a game code website that don't only have Animal Company codes. Of course, they actually have pretty much every other game as well. Do use the search bar, and just what you want to do is type in Animal Company, and it's going to pop up here, guys. This is the promo codes page. Now, as you can see, there are 5 different Animal Company codes, and you just need to scroll down and find the mod menu code, this one. Get the mod menu for free in Animal Company. Like I said, guys, this is a already built-in developer mod menu, so this is no third-party install or anything like that. This is literally a built-in mod menu, and it's going to unlock it. So this is going to basically give you a code here, but the code is locked. Now, the reason this is because these are limited codes. There's like almost 1,000 codes. Someone's just used one. But yeah, because these are limited codes, you do basically need to unlock yours because it limits 1 code per user. So to get your Animal Company mod menu code, you've got to click on this button and simply follow the instructions on this page here, guys. It is pretty easy. It does take about 5 minutes, but it is well worth it, I personally think, because obviously Animal Company mods are pretty awesome. You need to complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons, and it is very important you follow the instructions below each one. So you're going to have a list of completely free tasks. These are mostly mobile applications, games, and surveys. They're all very, very easy, guys. And like I said, they are completely free. You just got to make sure you read the description and complete 2 of them. They're really easy. I'm going to skip forward. Like I said, I've already done it. But if you complete 2 of those, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons. And basically, guys, after completing 2 tasks, your Animal Company promo code will be revealed. And you simply enter it into the computer in-game, so in the redeem promo code part of the Animal Company computer. And that is going to unlock a secret mod menu. So that is how to get mods in Animal Company. This is working in 2026 with no PC. You just need to use your mobile phone. And of course, it requires no Discord as well. So go to Crash Coupons and just find the Animal Company mod menu promo code. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.